Good afternoon, friends. Today we start Jones oxidation. In Jones oxidation, primary alcohol is oxidized to carboxylic acid and secondary alcohol is oxidized to ketone. And it is a acid carboxylic acids. So what is the Jones reagent? Jones reagent is the chromium trioxide dilute H2SO4 in acetone solvent. So Jones oxidizing agent, that is oxidizing agent, is chromium trioxide, H2SO4, H2O and acetone. H2O means dilute H2SO4. So dilute H2SO4 and chromium trioxide, it converted to chromic acid, and when this chromic acid is reacted with primary alcohol, it get converted to carboxylic acid, and secondary alcohol is oxidized to ketone. So here CrO3, H2SO4, water and acetone, it gives carboxylic acid. Here also same reagent, CrO3, H2SO4, water and acetone, again we get the ketone. By oxidation of secondary alcohol we get the ketone. Now let's see the mechanism of the reactions. How the alcohol is oxidized to carboxylic acid. See here the mechanism of the reactions. Here the chromium trioxide, water, and in H plus condition it get converted to HO, Cr double bond O, single bond OH. Now this chromic acid, H2Cr O4, chromic acid is formed, and when this chromic acid react with alcohol RCH2OH, so alcohol takes the proton from chromic acid. So lone pair of oxygen takes the proton O minus. It gives RCH2OH plus C. Okay. So there is OH plus O minus Cr double bond O OH. Now this O minus attack on this carbon. I write here again RCH2OHH plus. So this O minus CrOOH. This attack on here, loss of water molecule takes place, and due to loss of water molecules here, formation of RCH, I write H, O, Cr, O minus. Okay, this attack on this, there is loss of water molecule, Cr double bond O, double bond O, OH. Now this lone pair of oxygens takes the proton, and this bond sit here, and this bond breaks down. So there is, now this bond is shifting here, there is formation of RC double bond OH plus again HO, this become OH, Cr double bond O, OH. Okay, that is formation of aldehydes. And again this aldehydes, the lone pair from the oxygen takes the proton. R C double bond O H. The lone pair again takes the proton from the chromic acid OH. Lone pair takes the proton O minus, and again this R C double bond O H plus H, protonated aldehyde, plus O minus Cr double bond O OH. This Cr, this O minus retained to form double bond, then double bond attack on this, then lone pair of oxygen is retained. See here RCOH, and now this is H. Now on this carbonic carbon, the oxygen of chromic acid attack O Cr double bond O OH. Now again this double bond, proton, lone pair of oxygen takes the proton. Then this sigma bond shifted here, and there is again the bond shifting on the chromium. So there is formation of again RC double bond O OH plus HO Cr double bond OH. Now this is the mechanism. This is the mechanism for the formation of primary alcohol to carboxylic acid. Now here is formation of acid. Now see here once again the mechanism, how the mechanism is occur for the oxidation of primary alcohol to carboxylic acid. See here the chromium trioxide's water, dilute H2SO4, that means it contains water, and H plus from the sulfuric acid, it forms the chromic acids H2CrO4. Now the alcohol from the oxygen, the lone pair takes the proton to form the protonated alcohol. Then this oxygen minus attack on the CH2, then loss of water molecules. And after that this oxygen lone pair or this bond attack on the proton, the single bond shifted here to form the C double bond O, that means R C double bond OH, formation of aldehyde takes, and HO, that is CrO OH, Cr double bond O OH is formed. Again the aldehyde takes the proton from the chromic acids from their lone pair, and again protonated aldehyde is formed. Now again oxygen minus written here, or we can directly see the attack from O minus on the carbonyl carbon. Again the double bond shifted to retain the lone pair of oxygen, and again here the Cr double bond O takes the proton, and this bond is shifting here to form the C double bond O, that is C double bond O OH. So it becomes carboxylic acids. Again H2CrO3 is formed. Okay, this is the simple mechanism for the formation of carboxylic acid. Similarly, we can write the mechanism for the ketone, formation of ketone. Simply here, instead of one H, take one R group. It becomes secondary alcohol, and secondary alcohol gives, instead of H, here is R group, and there is formation of ketone. Now further ketone does not oxidize because there is no hydrogen on this carbonyl carbon in case of ketone. So for the abstraction of this hydrogen, here by the chromium acid, there is no hydrogen on the ketone molecules, and therefore the ketone molecule further do not oxidize to carboxylic acids by the Jones reagent. Okay, let's take some more examples by using the Jones reagent. I think आपको ये समझ में आया होगा. Now let's take some more examples for the oxidation of alcohol. OH, C, CH3 thrice. Okay. Now here is a secondary alcohol. By using Jones reagent, chromium trioxides dilute H2SO4 in acetone, we get C double bond O. Here CH3 thrice C remain as it is. Okay, so this secondary alcohol is get oxidized to carbonyl, that is ketone, by using the Jones reagent. Another example, here is oxygen chiral center, there is a double bond Me. Now again chromium trioxide dilute H2SO4 and acetone. So this again secondary alcohol, it is get oxidized to ketone by using this Jones reagent. The product is double bond Me. Remaining part is as it is. Only this OH get oxidized to carbonyl compound, and here the cyclic ester is formed, that is the lactone. Lactone formation takes place. Okay, we take one more examples. OH, simply cyclohexanol by using H2Cr2O7 and acetone. Instead of giving chromium trioxides dilute H2SO4, here directly given H2Cr2O7, that is chromic acid. H2Cr2O7, that is the chromic acid, and we get the product is cyclohexanol. The product is cyclohexanol. Cyclohexanol is converted to cyclohexanone. Now this is the Jones oxidation. Okay, next reactions, Swern oxidation.